Annyeonghaseyo!
안녕하세요.
So, we were celebrating Damia's birthday earlier and you were not around. So, please get your packed lunch, fruits, juice, and donuts, mini donuts from Kim Young Sunim.
김영수님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. Oh, Damia is here. Please, sing happy birthday, Damia. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, greetings.
Happy birthday, Damia.
Okay, kuha na yung mga parts. Natay puto cheese, juice,
What is your name? My name is Chelsea. What is your name? My name is Jaira. How old are you? I'm 9 years old. How old are you? I am 9 years old too. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Is my family. Who is he? He is my grandfather. Who is she? She is my mom. Who is he? He is my dad. Who is he? He is my brother. Who is she? She is my mom. Who is he? He is my older brother. Who is she? She is my young sister.
younger sister. Do you have younger sister?
Who is she? She is my sister. Who is she? She is my grandmother.
Done? Okay. So, pila to yung wrong? Usa, no? Your score is 9/10.
Who is he? He is my dad. Who is she? Who is she? He is my mom. Who is he? He is my brother. This is my family. Who is he? He is my dad. Who is she? She is my mom. Who is he? He is my older brother. Who is she? She is my sister. Who is he? He is my older brother. Who is she?
Mana?
Lumayan na yun. Mahala na siya. Ay, ang gamay rin magasto nga ako. Ang gamay rin magasto nga karakpan. Construction.
So, these are the self-study, and the parents who are monitoring them are Nicole's grandmother and Erame's mother.
Kahanay, mas. Bati mo ko bisa miso. Hindi bati.
This is Nicole's grandmother and Erame's mother.
Duha lagi tadi.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
So, good morning. For this morning, you are going to answer. The instruction is you are going to identify what figure of speech. You may start answering now. Okay, let's answer. For number 1, it was an open secret. Oxymoron. Kay? Saman? Open niya, sikreto siya. Number 2, my dad can left over 2 tons. Hyper? Bole. Hyperbole or hyperbole. Number 3, a boiled egg for lunch is hard to beat. Pans. Number 4, the fire station burned down while firefighters were at a safety talk. Irony. Number 5, the car horn beep. Onomatopoeia. Police prancing pony performed perfectly. Alliteration kay nag balik-balik ra. Number 7, better late than never. Idiom. The world is a stage and we are all actors. Sama na siya. Metaphor. Number 9. I run like the wind. How many 9? Is sandali kay na ang gamit og light. Number 10. The stars dance playfully in the night sky. Number 10 is personification. 11. The teacher's pet filled the easiest test of the year. Irony. Number 12. The car crash. Onomatopoeia. French fries. Alliteration. A dime a dozen. Annyeonghaseyo, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this evening, I want you to answer. Connect the idioms to their meaning. Okay? Let me start answering now. Okay, let's answer. Eyes on the board. To get cold feet. Kasama na siya.
Oh, to get nervous.
To get nervous. Cost an arm and a leg.
Very expensive.
Okay, very expensive.
I
Number 3. Time flies.
to go by.
Okay, very good.
Go by fast.
Break a leg.
Good luck.
Good luck. Hit the sack.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Sumagli.
Cause a bomb.
Very expensive.
Cause a bomb.
Cost lot of money.
Cost a lot of money.
But
To be down in the dumps.
kanang
Very sad.
very sad word.
On the top of the world.
Very happy.
Very happy. To be in hot water. To be in trouble.
Hello.
To be in the same boat.
To be in the same situation.
Okay, to be in the same situation.
Di natin.
Cut corners. Cut corners.
Kanang
To do something in the easiest or cheapest way. Unang cut corners. To add fuel to the fire. To add fuel. Saan na siya? Letter F. To make something worse. 13. Get one's act together. Saan na siya? To be organized. A piece of cake. Okay, very easy. To go the extra mile. Extra mile. To make more effort than is expected of you.